Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To begin with, the Australian dollar is attempting to restore its bullish bias as the market moves higher overnight from the break of 76.55, with the minor resistance now capped at 76.85. Towards this region, or even towards multi-month highs around 77 handle, should still provide supply, and I expect to see the market eventually turn back towards that recently challenged low around 75.95 and lower towards 74.80.90, which is this month's low. The euro dollar is weaker overnight as the US dollar gains momentum. Now looking towards that level of 107.0520. Now a break beneath there would give further scope towards the downside and bring in a target of 105.70 as an objective and reassess from there. Any advances on the day should find resistance towards 107.85 and firmer resistance above there towards 108.60. Well, the dollar yen case pretty much quiet overnight as it consolidates since the break above that 110.95. With the view of the US dollar increasing to the upside, could see the market move through this level of 111.65.75 and on towards an objective that comes in around 112.55.65 or even up towards 113 and reassess from there. Any weakness on the day should be contained by the support at 110.80. Well, the pound was weaker overnight after briefly looking underneath 124 handle, has recovered slightly but still holds to a negative bias. I still view the market will eventually break to the downside, especially with the stochastic coming through on the dailies to a negative crossover. Could see the market move towards that 122.10.20 level and reassess from there. Any advances on the day should find resistance around the 124.75 level or just above there at 125.55.60 as firmer. Well, the gold case is pretty much still holding to a negative bias, but still holding above that 12.47 support. In light of the current pattern, even though we are consolidating at the moment, I do expect to see further weakness and look towards the region of 12.42 and reassess in there as we could be looking down towards 12.24. Any advances should still find resistance currently at the moment holding at 12.56 and then above there at 12.62 to 64. And to wrap up with silver, well, the market is still persistent to move higher as it now challenges this region around 18.25 to 45. In light of the current pattern, you can see here there is little momentum to support this move now, even though we did see a little bit of aggression towards that $18 resistance area. With the doji posted as well, I expect to see the market soon return the gains and look down towards $17.80 as immediate target and reassess from there as we could be looking down towards $17.40. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me and I hope you have a great day ahead.